Good morning, everybody. Swisher Family Farm here. Another day on the garden. We're going to try to get it done now. Dad's gone. He has flown back to Florida. He's getting ready to get moved out here. We got a lot of stuff going on our homestead. A lot of things are going to take drastic changes, and we're ready for it. We're excited. About as excited as they are to have them here. All right, so as you've seen on the video previously, we built the beds, me and my dad. Now, while he's gone, I want to get the bed, inside of the bed sealed. And then what I really want to do is I really want to get them lined, get the wood in there, and then we'll wait for that truck of that topsoil coming in. Man, let me tell you, topsoil is not cheap. It's about about $1,472 for a 22-ton dump truck. Now, this stuff is the preem stuff. It's not a cheap junk. It's primo stuff. So they have it tested. They're gonna give me a certificate that shows that it's been tested before I get it, to make sure there's nothing in there that is a chemical base that could hurt my garden or do anything to my garden. Now, this place is set up in northern Tennessee. It's basically a giant compost farm. That's what it is. A giant compost farm. There's cow manure in it. There's chicken manure in it. There's you name it, it's in there, that they use to break down leaves, wood chips, dirt. I mean, this stuff's pretty nice. But the nice thing is they have it tested before you get it, so you know you're not getting some stuff that has bad chemicals in. Another thing is too, is that the reason why I'm paying so much is because they have to transport it. And if you all know diesel prices now, they got to transport it from northern Tennessee down to me. And that's not cheap. That's why I paid a little more for it. But it's an all-natural compost. I mean, these things that they have set up in these fields are absolutely huge, enormous. And, you know, it takes, on the average for them to get one, it takes them 5 years. 5 years to get their compost good enough to where they can actually start selling it. 5 years. Man, I'm telling you, that's a long time. And then every year they got to go in, they turn it, and they roll it. And I mean, there's a lot of work behind it to get the good topsoil. So, okay, so let's get back to the beds. I'm going to get these beds stained. I'm going to get them all ready. We're going to get them sealed in. This weekend, me and Amy will be working on filling them up with wood. We're going to fill them up about halfway, so 12 inches of wood. And we'll have 12 inches of soil, which is plenty to do this. I got some old beds over there that I can put in there. I also have to put a netting in the bottom to keep the moles out and stuff like that, and that'll help right there. So I gotta go get some chicken wire, which will do that too. So pretty much on this next part of the garden episode, I'm gonna try to show you guys everything we do step by step if possibly can. I'm gonna try to get a lot better on my camera shots too. Another thing is too, is thanks to my dad being as nice as he is, he had bought a brand new camera. So instead of me having one camera going, I'll have two going all the time, and we'll be able to take a lot better shots with a video. And I am very excited for that. Now, don't get me wrong, the Canon G7X has been fantastic for the past 3 years. But to get this camera would be a blessing, basically, because I'll be able to do different angle shots. There's a lot more I will be able to do with two cameras going. And other thing we want to do is we plan on, me and Amy had discussed it, I plan on getting a drone. So you guys will get some shots up top, and you get some, you know, beauty shots, stuff like that. And then we also would like to get another camera, which is, what do they call that? Black something. But you can put it to your head, and you put it on your chest if you want to walk around and video while you're doing stuff. We're going to get one of those too. So if, you know, we got the drone going following us, and then we got the camera attached to me, and then we've got the two cameras going, we're going to have footage everywhere. So you guys are going to get to see a lot better footage than what you've previously been able to see. I'm kind of excited. I want to get going on these beds. I'm so happy. Amy is ecstatic. She's finally got her beds done. We're going to do the other ones over there too. We'll show you those being built. Just a lot of stuff going on in the garden. And today it's going to be 62 degrees. 62 here in southern Tennessee. I'm loving it. All right, time to get to work, guys. Woo! Let's go. Alright guys, so we got the beds all stained except for one side over here. And there's a small 2-foot bed on the other side of that. I ran out of stain. I thought I would have enough just to make it, but we got the majority of them stained. I can't wait to get these beds filled up. We still got to put our liner in there. We still got to put our chicken wire in there. And we got to fill it up with some logs and some wood from around the homestead. We had a homesteader recently down the road from me who just had a big tree cut down. It's got a lot of the branches and stuff, and said, hey, come down and get them. They're yours. So I'll be doing that this week. I'll be filling these beds up. We want to fill the bed up about a foot with just some sticks and some logs, and then we're going to have our topsoil brought in. So if you're interested in seeing any more builds, we still have more beds to build. They're 25 foot long by 3 foot wide. Stay tuned. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button, that like button, and tell your friends about us, and that bell for notification. Well, at this point, guys, I'm going to go relax. I got to make dinner for Amy and feed the chickens, some other little things to do. Well, I'll talk to you later. God bless. Have a great day. Be safe out there. Until the next one.